go. Covers off. Safety's off. Game starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah, he's in the back barrels, right? What you got, Mike? All right, let's move up. Let's move up. You got one in the barrel right here. No, there's another one in the further back one.
There's the other one?
Yeah, there's another one. There's a 3.
One number 12.
Right there. Yeah, there you go. He's out, he's out, he's out, player's out. Thanks. Yo, let's start moving up, he's out. Nah, he's out, he's out, he's out. That's what I'm saying. Move up, right here. Stay low, because you got a guy in the pink with a barrel over here.
Alright.
Alright, I want to try to
So,
get to the right side.
Alright.
Keep your head down, because he's going to be like dead center right here.
Alright.
If you peek out on the side here, you'll see him. Your best bet is to peek out on the sides.
Yeah, I'm trying to find it.
Yeah. See him in the pink? I mean, like a burgundy shirt. He's going to be like right behind some barrels.
They got a good angle on some guys hiding behind barrels, but they're not covered from where we're coming.
Yeah, he's to the left a little bit, to the left. See the barrels there to the left?
Yeah.
Where you were just shooting, he's back there.
I saw him pop out. The guy in the white shirt standing straight up.
Alright, when I move, you're gonna... Shit. Hey, somebody in the tower!
Hey, we got ammo! Ammo? You got any extra ammo?
Yo, just swing around this way. You'll be fine. Come on.
Oh shit, that was close as fuck. Yo!
Alright, bro. I'm gonna move up. They're gonna pressure me hard, so when I run, just see if somebody pops out.
While you're running, I'll shoot, so they'll be scared. Yeah.
Look, I'm gonna run for the bunker here, the black one. So all you gotta do is hold the guy in red down. And you should be alright. Yo, come on, move up, move up. Yo, come to me. There's two in the tower, there's some on the right hand side. Somebody has to get further wide.
How should we go about this?
Go further right, because you got a bunch of people here, you got two in the tower.
Yo, there's one right here. I don't know if he's on our team. I don't think he knows we're on our team.
Nah, they're creeping up. Alright, just stay in the game, man. They don't know that. They don't know that. Just stay in the game. Yeah, there's a guy in the fort watching me.